Hey guys, what's popping? I'm bringing to you another AI video, like where we started from and where we've gotten to. Yes, what powers this AI? What powers this natural language? Yeah, what powers this AI era? Yes. Okay, so way back in 2013, there was this new AI concept, a branch of AI called natural language processing. Yeah, it popped up, it gained traction in 2013. So some of the models that were powering this NLP was LSTM, RNN. Yeah, but there was a downside to these models that powered this NLP. That was they were really slow, like in terms of memory. They have short-term memory. Yeah, so if I give you a context, like a story to summarize, it will leave some, it wouldn't make sense, it wouldn't put together. And if I give it a sentence to translate, it wants to translate each word one after the other, which is not natural in natural language. Yes, for instance, how are you translate to ni hao ma in Chinese. So all this NLP, as at that time, all these NLP models, like the RNN and the LSTM will do is, it will translate you into ni. I mean how are you? You translate how are you into how many, which is not natural because you is not natural. You means ni and how are means how ma, something like that. So instead of ni how ma, the NLP translated to how many. Doesn't make sense. The Chinese people will not understand you. They will be like, yo, boy, take it easy. Don't create a new language and call it Chinese. Yeah. So fast forward in 2017, there was this research paper called Attention is All You Need. What? Attention is all you need. Attention is all you need. What about what you call the transformer? Yeah, this transformer model was good. Yeah, it was okay. It made good predictions, and if you train large data on this transformer model, it will able to capture the context and give you meaningful natural answers or prediction. Yes. So instead of translating how are you into how many, this transformer model will translate it to ni hao ma, natural. It understand context. It had good memory, unlike the previous models which had poor memory. Yes. So yes, it started gaining traction in 2017, and in 2018 there, or late 2017, companies like Google, Bet, OpenAI, GPT took it upon themselves to get large stack of GPUs. You see, this NLP, they need large amount of data, in fact, the whole internet's diary. Yes, to train on, so that it can give more natural meanings or give more ideas, so that if you ask an AI or a model, a large language model, what is the meaning of this? I mean, summarize this content for me, translate this. It will feel more natural. It will come more natural. It will feel more like magic, like how we've been using it of late. Yes. So OpenAI and Google Bet at that time, put it on themselves to get large stacks of GPUs to train this, and it was becoming powerful. This is where these times was when we got the large language model concept, because the model was trained on large amount of data. Yes, large. OpenAI trains this model on whatever is on the internet, or from Wikipedia, from books on the internet. Yes, that's why the tests, the predictions, whatever it brings out feels more natural. Okay, so yeah. So you may be asking, why wasn't something some big AI like ChatGPT way back in 2017 and 2018, because transformers were already around during that time. So why didn't people build around this AI? Yes, they didn't build because building an app around these transformers or models were very costly. So yes, yeah, very very costly. So ChatGPT took upon themselves that they'll bear the cost. They'll raise money to build something robust, and now everybody is using AI because of their big step. Yes, you're training data set and buying chips, setting up data center to train these AI models cost millions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of money. So yeah, that's how come these LLMs started. They started way back in 2017, 18 there, and now we are here. Everyone is using AI. I personally use AI all the time, every day. It has replaced my Google. Oh, I used to use Google for almost anything, but now, sorry to say that I still use Google though. Yes, still use Google though. Yes, and so we still use models like CNN. We still use models like CNN. You may be wondering. Yes, we still use models like CNN for CNN apps, like for patients or problem that requires computer vision. LLMs haven't replaced CNN. LLMs haven't replaced CNN, but still LLMs helps in doing some CNN apps such as generating realistic images like uh, text to image or whatever. Yes, LLMs help in doing so. But if you want to build robust CNN apps like 3D modeling, wonder powers, automatic self-driving cars, you still need CNNs. Yes, you need what? CNNs. So CNN has been replaced. But let me give you one. Let me tell you one thing. You know, my people, the Chinese, when they realize ChatGPT is gaining traction, they wouldn't just sit around for people to be using only ChatGPT. So they also had their own LLM app. Yeah, called by a company, as I don't that, by a company called DeepSeek. DeepSeek also came into the AI competition amidst uh, Google Bard, Google Gemini, and all those things. Yeah, Google DeepSeek came into this and also built similar products like ChatGPT, but it was not way less costly. You know how these Chinese do it? They'll build something better, nice, but to be what cheaper. Yes, because they didn't even use Nvidia's chips. They use Huawei's chips. Yes, and they use cheap labor and all those things. They were using caching to save them. In fact, how they built this LLM, their LLM is beyond, I mean, thinking. It's beyond my control. But they use some sort of caching and experts. I mean, so their ways of training data wasn't much costly and it wasn't wasting so much space like Chat GPT. Yes. So guys, that's all we have for today. I've talked about where we started from and where we've got into. Do you know where we are heading to? You guys should share with me where we are heading to. And you guys should let me know who will win this AI competition. Now we have Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Elon Musk Grok, Claude, a whole lot. In fact, Google's had what we call Google Bad. But that was so bad enough. You have to change it to Gemini. Yeah, that was just by the way. So guys, I've opened your mind from where we started from and where we are now. So it open my mind on where we are getting to. Let me know where do you think we are getting to and who will win this AI competition. Thank you guys very much for watching. Zai Jane.